Welcome back. My name is Adam with UploadWordPress.com, and we're going to continue building this classified ad style site, CostumeClassifieds.com, and we're using the ClassiPress theme. So what we did in the last video is we finished setting up our categories, and then we added some pages. So what we're going to do next is we're going to build the widgets on the right sidebar for each section of the site. Alright, so you can see I already have some in here right now. I currently have, will always be here by default, this welcome back admin. That's your dashboard, so if you're signed in you'll see that by default, but then I have just a kind of a welcome message here, let people know what the site's all about with the join now button. Then I have a widget that's popular ads today. This will show the most popular ads today when we start adding new classified ads to the site, and then most popular ads overall. And then I have a Facebook widget here that links up to my Facebook fan page, which I've already created. Alright, so let me show you how I set that up, how I set up this right sidebar. If we log into the WordPress admin and we go to Appearance Widgets, and on the widgets page, once this loads, it's a little slow right now. Alright, so now we're on in the widget section of the WordPress admin. So you can see, if you take a look over here, built in there's these different widget sidebars. You have the main sidebar, which is going to show up on the home page of the site, which I just showed you here. You have the ad sidebar that'll show up when people are viewing classified ads, a page sidebar when they're viewing individual pages, a blog sidebar when they're looking at the blog, and then a user sidebar, and then a footer. And in this footer section you can have up to 4 different widgets within the footer, and they'd show up down here. Alright, so I've already set up, I'll show you what I've already set up under the main sidebar. Okay, this is exactly what you saw just now on the site. I have a text box here where I put a welcome message, and I have the top ads today, top ads overall, and the Facebook like box. So I'm going to do that pretty much the same thing for the ad sidebar. I'm going to put that text box first, and that would be a good spot too to put like an opt-in form. I don't have one. I'll probably add one later, but it's a good idea to have an opt-in form to build a list with these sites as well, which you can do fairly quickly. Alright, so you want the same exact thing here. Okay. Top ads, I'm going to keep it pretty much the same for the ad sidebar. I'll go top ads today, and then I'm just going to go with a Facebook. You can always obviously modify this as much as you want later, so I'm not going to spend too much time. Everybody watching this video probably understands how widgets work, and we'll be able to figure this out pretty quick. So I just kind of wanted to show you that there are different widget sections within the ClassiPress theme. So that's all I'm going to do for right now. So for this widget section, the ad bar section, I just have 3 widgets in there. And then I'd go ahead and do the same thing for the page, the blog, the user, and whatever I want in the footer. A couple interesting widgets that come with the ClassiPress theme. I've already covered a couple of them, which are the top ads today. It'll automatically display the top ads today based on how people use the site, which ones they look at the most. Top ads overall, same thing. And then there's this built-in ClassiPress Facebook like box, which is really nice, which you saw down here. There's also a real-time Twitter feed that you could put in there. So there's a lot of options. There's also this 125 by 125 ads. This is a real nice one too, so I'll just put this in here so you can see what it looks like out on the site. I'll just save it. And then if we go to the site and refresh this, you'll see that there is a built-in easy way to put ads, sell ads on your on this site as it gets more and more traffic. So anyways, there's a lot of really cool and useful widgets that are built in with this ClassiPress theme. You can control each section of the actual website with different widget sections. So A lot of options there. Um, and so play around with it and find the mix that you like. I would recommend having a text a welcome message and then also an opt-in box on each page. So the next thing that we'll do now that we have our right sidebar set up is we'd go ahead and start creating a few ads just to get the site started. So I'll do that in the next video. I'll show you how I do that, and we'll go from there. Again, my name is Adam with UploadWordPress.com. Thanks for watching this video.